I'm excited about this test. I'm using SparkReceipt to convert 40 PDF files into Excel. And how does that work? SparkReceipt OCR, my PDF files, and then the integration with OpenAI, ChatGPT forms a summary of those PDF files, and then I'm going to download those as an Excel form for me, where all those PDF files should be linked as well. So I haven't done this before. This is first time doing this, so hope everything goes well. And if you like this, please do try it by yourself as well. And please let us know what could be use cases for this functionality. One that I have in my mind is, for example, due diligence for a startup where you need to dump and deliver a lot of material for your possible investors. So this would be the easiest way to do that, for example. So I'm now at SparkReceipt. I want to go to mass upload, and then I'm going to upload my document. Now the documents are in, and SparkReceipt is doing the work. Next, I'm going to go to reports, and I'm creating new custom report from document, and that happened surprisingly fast. Now I'm going to download that. Okay, now we have it here, and what I can see from the Excel file, everything is pretty nicely here. For example, if we look this train ticket from Tampere to Helsinki, other documents, there's a summary, a train ticket for adult passengers traveling from Tampere to Helsinki on November 29th. And yeah, so the summaries are very useful. So you can have a short preview what there is. And if I look, for example, now the train ticket. Yeah, so here we have the link to that train ticket, and there's same summary that there was on the Excel file. So this is very useful for DD. And what other use cases you would have for this? Let us know.